Welcome back to Power Tool Review, where we dive into 19 new coolest craftsman tools Amazon and bring you the most powerful, practical, and innovative workshop gear for everyday and professional use. Today, I will show you top-rated tools that make cutting, drilling, pruning, and fixing easier, faster, and more efficient than ever. Stay tuned. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Number 1. Cordless Power Combo Pro Plus. I personally love this all-in-one cordless power kit because it delivers strong performance for drilling, cutting, and fastening tasks without being tied to a cord. The brushless motor gives consistent power, while the battery system lasts long enough for extended work sessions. It feels solid in hand with an ergonomic grip that reduces fatigue during heavy use. I found it especially useful for home improvement projects and quick repairs. The kit includes multiple attachments that make it versatile for different materials like wood, metal, and plastic. Charging is fast, and the build quality feels premium for its price range, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users who want efficiency, portability, and durability in one compact system. Perfect for any workshop setup, anytime. Number 2. Rapid Air Leaf Sweeper. This Rapid Air Leaf Sweeper is one of those tools that instantly changes how you handle outdoor cleaning tasks. I found it incredibly powerful for clearing dry leaves, dust, and light garden debris without needing to bend or strain. The high-speed air output creates a strong, focused airflow that moves piles of leaves in seconds. It feels lightweight in hand, yet the motor performance is surprisingly strong for its size. I especially like how easy it is to control with a simple trigger system and balanced grip design. It works great for driveways, lawns, patios, and workshop cleanup. Battery efficiency is solid, allowing longer use without frequent charging. For anyone who wants fast, effortless yard maintenance with professional-level results, this tool is a real time saver and definitely worth adding to your outdoor equipment collection for everyday use anywhere. Number 3. ExtendDrive Electric Ratchet. The ExtendDrive Electric Ratchet is a powerful upgrade for anyone who works with fasteners regularly, especially in automotive or mechanical repair tasks. I personally like how it speeds up tightening and loosening bolts without requiring manual effort, saving both time and energy. The electric motor delivers smooth torque control, which helps prevent stripping or over-tightening screws. It feels solid in hand with a comfortable grip that supports longer working sessions. The compact head design allows easy access to tight and hard-to-reach spaces. Battery performance is reliable, making it suitable for continuous workshop use. I also appreciate the forward and reverse switching, which makes operation very simple and efficient. For professionals and DIY users alike, this electric ratchet adds speed, convenience, and efficiency to mechanical work, making repetitive fastening jobs much easier and far less tiring overall in daily use situations. Number 4. TorqueSnap Ratchet Wrench. The TorqueSnap Ratchet Wrench is a strong and reliable hand tool that I find extremely useful for precision tightening tasks. It delivers consistent torque control, making it ideal for mechanical, automotive, and assembly work. I personally like how smoothly the ratcheting mechanism operates, allowing fast tightening without needing to reposition the tool constantly. The build quality feels durable and designed for heavy use, which is important for workshop environments. The handle provides a firm and comfortable grip, even when applying higher force. It works especially well in tight spaces where traditional wrenches struggle to operate efficiently. I also appreciate its simple but effective design that focuses on strength and usability. For anyone who needs accuracy and control in fastening tasks, this ratchet wrench offers dependable performance, long-lasting durability, and smooth operation that makes mechanical work much easier and more efficient overall. Number 5. SpeedCut Angle Grinder X4. The SpeedCut Angle Grinder X4 is a high-performance cutting and grinding tool that I find perfect for metalwork, construction, and heavy-duty DIY projects. It delivers strong rotational power that makes cutting through metal, stone, and tough materials fast and efficient. I really like how stable it feels during operation, reducing vibration and improving control. The ergonomic handle design helps maintain a firm grip, even during intense work sessions. It supports multiple disc types, making it versatile for cutting, polishing, and grinding tasks. The safety features also provide extra confidence during use. I found it especially effective for renovation and fabrication jobs where precision and speed are important. For professionals or serious DIY users, this angle grinder offers power, durability, and reliability, making it an essential tool for demanding workshop or construction environments where performance truly matters every time.
Number 6. PowerDrive Drill Starter Kit. The PowerDrive Drill Starter Kit is a reliable and beginner-friendly drilling solution that I personally find great for home improvement and light construction work. It provides strong and steady drilling power suitable for wood, metal, and plastic surfaces. I like how easy it is to control, making it ideal even for users with minimal experience. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, while the variable speed control allows better precision depending on the material. It comes with multiple drill bits, which adds value and versatility for different tasks. The build quality feels durable enough for regular household and workshop use. Battery performance is stable, giving enough runtime for most small to medium projects. For anyone starting out or needing a dependable everyday drill, this kit delivers simplicity, efficiency, and consistent performance that makes drilling tasks smooth, quick, and hassle-free every time.
Number 7. Master Mechanics Tool Vault. The Master Mechanics Tool Vault is the ultimate all-in-one toolkit that I find perfect for serious home mechanics and professionals. It includes a massive selection of sockets, wrenches, ratchets, and specialty tools designed to handle almost any repair or maintenance job. I really like how everything is neatly organized inside a strong storage case, making it easy to locate tools quickly during work. The tools feel solid, durable, and built for long-term heavy use. I especially appreciate the smooth ratcheting action and precise fit of the sockets, which improves efficiency and reduces frustration. Whether you are working on vehicles, machinery, or household repairs, this kit covers everything in one place. It eliminates the need for multiple tool sets and ensures you are always prepared for any mechanical challenge. For anyone serious about tools, this is a complete professional-grade solution. Number 8. HomeFix Mechanics Toolkit. The HomeFix Mechanics Toolkit is one of those all-in-one sets I find extremely practical for both home repairs and automotive work. It includes a wide range of sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and accessories that cover almost every basic repair need. The tools feel solid and well organized in the carrying case, making it easy to find exactly what you need during work. I personally like how the ratchets operate smoothly with good grip and control, even in tight spaces. The build quality is strong enough for regular use, which makes it reliable for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're fixing furniture, working on your car, or handling general maintenance, this kit keeps everything in one place. It saves time, reduces hassle, and provides dependable performance for everyday mechanical tasks without needing multiple separate tool purchases.
Number 9. V20 Smart Pruning Shears. The V20 Smart Pruning Shears are a game changer for garden maintenance, especially if you deal with regular trimming of plants, shrubs, or small branches. I really like how the motorized cutting system reduces effort while giving clean and precise cuts every time. The blades are sharp and responsive, allowing smooth trimming without damaging plant stems. It feels lightweight and easy to handle, which makes long gardening sessions much less tiring. The smart trigger control gives better accuracy, especially when working on detailed areas. Battery life is solid enough for extended garden work without frequent interruptions. I also appreciate the safety features that prevent accidental activation. For anyone who wants faster, cleaner, and more efficient gardening results, these pruning shears are a perfect upgrade that brings professional-level performance into everyday home gardening tasks with ease and comfort all day long. Number 10. FoldSharp Utility Tri-Knife. The FoldSharp Utility Tri-Knife is a versatile cutting set that I personally find extremely useful for everyday tasks. Each knife is designed with a folding mechanism that makes storage safe and convenient, while keeping the blades easily accessible when needed. The sharpness is impressive, allowing clean cuts through cardboard, plastic, rope, and light construction materials. I like how the grip feels secure and comfortable, giving good control during precise cutting work. Having 3 different knives in one set makes it practical for multiple job types, whether at home, workshop, or job site. Blade replacement is simple, which adds to its long-term usability. The compact design makes it easy to carry in a pocket or tool bag. For anyone who values convenience, safety, and cutting efficiency, this utility knife set is a reliable everyday essential for quick and accurate cutting tasks.
Number 11. PrecisionVolt Screwdriver Kit. The PrecisionVolt Screwdriver Kit is a detailed repair tool set that I find extremely handy for electronics, appliances, and small mechanical work. It includes a wide variety of precision bits that fit different screw types, making it highly versatile for delicate tasks. I personally like the magnetic tip feature, which helps hold screws securely and prevents dropping small parts during work wake. The handle design is ergonomic, giving good grip and control even during long repair sessions. The storage case is compact and well organized, making it easy to carry and locate specific bits quickly. Build quality feels solid and durable, suitable for frequent use. Whether you are repairing phones, laptops, or household devices, this kit ensures accuracy and efficiency. It is a must-have tool for anyone who works with detailed electronics or wants a reliable precision screwdriver set for everyday technical tasks. Number 12. MultiEdge Oscillating Toolkit. The MultiEdge Oscillating Toolkit is one of the most versatile power tools I've used for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding tasks. It performs exceptionally well in tight spaces where larger tools cannot reach. I really like how quickly it switches between attachments, making it perfect for multi-purpose projects. The modal delivers strong and consistent vibration speed, allowing smooth and controlled cutting through wood, metal, and plastic. It feels sturdy in hand, with a grip that reduces vibration fatigue during longer use. I found it especially useful for renovation work, flooring adjustments, and detailed repair jobs. The included accessories add great value, covering multiple job types in one kit. For anyone who wants a single tool that can handle many workshop tasks efficiently, this oscillating kit is a powerful, reliable, and time-saving solution for both professionals and DIY users.
Number 13. V20 Garden Multi-Tool Kit. The V20 Garden Multi-Tool Kit is a complete outdoor solution that I find extremely practical for maintaining lawns, hedges, and trees. It combines multiple attachments that allow trimming, cutting, and pruning without needing separate machines. I really like how quickly the tool head can be changed, making it flexible for different garden tasks. The motor provides strong and consistent power, ensuring smooth performance even with thicker branches. It feels well balanced, which helps reduce fatigue during longer gardening sessions. The cordless design gives full freedom of movement, making outdoor work much easier and more efficient. Battery life is decent enough for medium to large garden spaces. For homeowners who want an all-in-one gardening system, this kit offers convenience, power, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for keeping outdoor spaces clean, neat, and professionally maintained throughout the year. Number 14. V20 Rotary Craft Tool. The V20 Rotary Craft Tool is a compact yet powerful tool that I personally find perfect for detailed grinding, polishing, engraving, and cutting work. It offers variable speed control, which makes it easy to adjust for different materials like wood, metal, and plastic. I really like how precise it feels, especially when working on small craft or repair projects that require accuracy. The lightweight design allows comfortable handling, even during longer creative sessions. It comes with multiple attachments that expand its versatility for different tasks. The motor runs smoothly with minimal vibration, which improves control and finish quality. I found it especially useful for DIY crafts, hobby projects, and fine detailing work. For anyone who enjoys precision-based tasks or small workshop projects, this rotary tool delivers flexibility, control, and reliable performance in a compact design that fits easily in any workspace.
Number 15. Precision Hedge Cutter Max Max. The Precision Hedge Cutter Max is built for clean, accurate trimming that makes garden shaping feel effortless. I personally like how sharp and well-balanced the blades are, allowing smooth cutting through thick hedges without tearing or uneven edges. The motor response is quick, giving consistent power even when working on dense branches. It feels comfortable during long trimming sessions, thanks to its ergonomic handle and reduced vibration design. I also noticed how safe and controlled it feels, which is important when working near detailed edges or corners. It is ideal for maintaining gardens, shaping bushes, and keeping landscapes neat. The cordless design adds freedom of movement, so you're not restricted by cables. For both homeowners and professionals, this tool delivers precision, reliability, and smooth performance that makes garden maintenance faster and more enjoyable every single time you use it. Product 16. SwiftTrim Edge Master Kit. The SwiftTrim Edge Master Kit is designed for precision edging and detailed trimming work that demands accuracy and control. I really like how versatile this kit is because it handles grass edges, borders, and tight corner trimming with ease. The cutting system is sharp and responsive, allowing clean lines without damaging surrounding areas. It feels lightweight but still strong enough for continuous outdoor use. The adjustable settings make it easy to switch between different trimming styles depending on your lawn or garden needs. I also found the handle design very comfortable, reducing hand strain during longer sessions. Battery performance is stable, giving enough runtime for medium to large yard spaces. This tool is perfect for homeowners who want professional-looking lawn edges without hiring help. It's efficient, reliable, and makes outdoor maintenance much faster and visually impressive every single time you use it.
TitanForce Recip Saw Blade X is a heavy-duty cutting solution that I found extremely effective for demolition and renovation work. It delivers aggressive cutting power through wood, metal, and mixed materials with impressive speed and stability. The blade design reduces bending and maintains sharpness even under high-pressure tasks. I like how it fits securely into most reciprocating saws, making it very convenient for quick swaps during work. It performs especially well in tight spaces where precision cutting is needed without losing power. The durability is noticeable as it holds up well under continuous heavy use. Whether you are working on home repairs, construction projects, or workshop fabrication, this blade ensures clean and efficient cuts. It is a dependable tool upgrade for anyone who needs strength, speed, and long-lasting performance in demanding cutting environments without compromise in quality or control. Product 18. Cast Torpedo Level 9-inch Pro. The Cast Torpedo Level 9-inch Pro is a compact but highly accurate measuring tool that I find essential for any construction or home project. It provides precise leveling for pipes, shelves, frames, and installations with clear bubble vials that are easy to read even in low light conditions. The solid cast body gives it durability while still keeping it lightweight enough for everyday carry in a tool belt. I really appreciate how magnetic edges allow hands-free use on metal surfaces, which makes alignment tasks much easier and faster. The design is simple but extremely effective for both professionals and DIY users. It ensures accuracy in tight spaces where larger levels cannot fit. For anyone who values precision and reliability in their work, this tool is a must-have addition that consistently delivers accurate results on every job without any hassle or guesswork involved with.
Number 19. V20 LED Magnifier Pro. The V20 LED Magnifier Pro is a surprisingly useful tool that I personally find perfect for detailed inspection work. It combines strong magnification with built-in LED lighting, making it easy to see small screws, wiring, or fine mechanical parts clearly, even in low-light environments. The lens quality feels crisp and distortion-free, which helps a lot when working on precision tasks. I also like how comfortable it is to hold during longer inspection sessions, with a lightweight but durable frame design. It's especially helpful for electronics repair, jewelry work, or any detailed DIY project where accuracy matters. The LED lights are bright but not harsh, giving balanced visibility without eye strain. For anyone who works with small components regularly, this tool adds real convenience, clarity, and control, making detailed work faster, easier, and far more accurate every single time you use it. That wraps up today's review on 19 new coolest craftsman tools Amazon. I hope you found some powerful tools that can upgrade your workshop and make your daily tasks easier and more efficient. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Power Tool Review for more in-depth product breakdowns and honest recommendations. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest uploads. Check the description below for product links, pricing, and more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.